I wanted to show this. I grew up with these in the house. Scattered about. My mom loves to do them, my sister loves to do them, and I would pick them up and do them just sitting there. The reason these are really good is it's not just looking for the word. It's spelling. These help kids learn how to spell. And even in the spell check world, it's important to know how to spell. It's important to know how to read, and this is a great way to learn to read. I grew up in a house of books, and TV wasn't allowed. I mean, it was kind of allowed, but not allowed. So you'd find other things to do. These are a great way to kill time. And always brush up on spelling. Good for old people, too.